Welcome back. You're watching News X. My name is Vineet Malhotra. There is a raging war over Priyanka Gandhi's bag message in Parliament. Yesterday, Priyanka carried a bag that read Palestine, and the BJP reacted, claiming she was trying to appease Muslim voters and also called Congress the new Muslim leader. In a response, Priyanka called BJP statements typical patriarchy, to which BJP responded, asking her to do the same for Hindus in Bangladesh. Today, Priyanka Gandhi wore a bag that read "Stand with minorities in Bangladesh." In fact, let's listen in to Priyanka's statement over her Palestine bag and Yogi Adityanath's dig in Uttar Pradesh Assembly today.
You want to say something? Why are you carrying this bag?
I've said many times what my beliefs are regarding this. And if you look at my Twitter handle, all my comments are over there.
They say that the parliamentarians can't carry this.
Who's going to decide what clothes I wear now? Who's going to decide that? That's typical patriarchy, that you decide what clothes women wear also.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't subscribe to that. I will wear what I want.
कल कांग्रेस की एक नेत्री संसद में फिलिस्तीन का बैग लेकर घूम रही थी और हम यूपी के नौजवानों को इजराइल भेज रहे हैं। वहां पर यूपी के अब तक लगभग 5,600 से अधिक नौजवान इजराइल गए हैं निर्माण कार्य करने के लिए, और हर नौजवान रहने का फ्री, खाने का फ्री और 1.5 लाख रुपए उसको वहां पे अतिरिक्त तो मिल रहे हैं और पूरी सुरक्षा की गारंटी भी है। अभी इजराइल के राजदूत आए थे, उन्होंने कहा कि हम यूपी के और भी नौजवान ले जाना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि यूपी का नौजवान अच्छा काम कर रहा है, बेरोजगार नहीं, उसकी स्किल की ताकत को दुनिया आज मान रही है। आप ये मान के चलिए, वो नौजवान जब 1.5 लाख रुपए भेजता अपने घर, तो प्रदेश के ही विकास में वो योगदान देता है। हमें अभिनंदन करना चाहिए उन नौजवानों का।
All right, let's talk about this. Himanshu Shukla, BJP spokesperson, with us on the program. Bhavya Nasimha Murthy, Congress spokesperson, with us on the program as well. Mr. Sumit Peer, senior political commentator, with us on the broadcast as well. Last but by no means the least, Advocate Manasvi Thapar, political analyst, also with us on the show. Thank you everyone for being a part of this conversation. Himanshu, I'll begin with you. First of all, why do you think it is wrong for Priyanka Gandhi to be displaying any kind of a message of solidarity on her bag when she enters the parliament? And is it necessary for the BJP also to give a bag so much attention that in fact it distracts an ongoing parliament session from what it exactly is supposed to do?
See, I'll start from the beginning. So India is a very great land, as we all know. Since the ancient times, India has accepted all the invaders, parasites, destroyers have come through time, and India has accepted all of them. These two brothers and sisters are the parasite which eat in Indian platter and talk about foreign. And which is, they are vote oriented. They do vote oriented politics. We never care about their clothes, their bags and anything. What we have a problem is they are vote oriented. कल को वो जो है फिलिस्तीन के बारे में बात कर रही। मुझे इतना तो पता है कि ये किसकी समर्थक है, किसकी नहीं समर्थक है, पर ये हिंदुओं के विरोधी हैं। हमें इसकी समस्या है। अगर ये मुस्लिम की इतनी ज्यादा चिंतक हैं, तो इनको सिर्फ फिलिस्तीन के मुस्लिम क्यों दिखाई दे रहे हैं? अफगान औरतों पे इतने ज्यादा जुल्म ढाए जा रहे हैं, हम सब न्यूज में देख रहे हैं, एक शब्द नहीं निकला। अगस्त से दिसंबर हो गया है, जो हमने कल हल्ला मचाया, उसके बाद प्रियंका गांधी का बैग निकल के आया है, जो एक पॉलिटिकल स्टंट की तरह निकल के आया है। ये उनका कल निकल के आया है। आज तक बांग्लादेशी हिंदुओं के बारे में उनके भ्राता, उनकी माता के मुंह से एक शब्द नहीं निकला। चीन में जो मुस्लिमों के ऊपर आक्रमण हुआ है, इतने ज्यादा जो उनको बेकार मान के रखते हैं, उसमें नहीं निकला। किसमें निकला? फिलिस्तीन, क्योंकि उनका वोट बैंक है। तो ये जो वोट बैंक की जो ये पर्टिकुलर राजनीति कर रही है ना, हमें इससे समस्या है। ये पॉलिटिकल स्टंट कर रही है। पार्लियामेंट जो है, हम संसद भवन को कहते हैं पवित्र स्थल है, यहाँ पे वो कभी मास्क पहन के आ जाती हैं, कभी बैग लेके आ जाती है, कभी बैनर लेके आ जाती है। अरे भाई, संसद की गरिमा को बना के रखो। आप यहाँ पे स्टंट नहीं करिए, आप अपने घर के बाहर स्टंट करिए, हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। आप वहां पे देख रहे हैं अभी टीएमसी के जो एक नेता हैं वो मिमिक्री करते हैं वाइस प्रेसिडेंट की, राहुल गांधी वीडियो बनाते हैं, हमें इन सब से दिक्कत है भाई। आप अपना पॉलिटिकल स्टंट आप अपने घर पे करें, आप रील बनाएं, आपको जो करना है करें, आप पार्लियामेंट में ये सब हरकतें ना करें। हमारे लिए बहुत ही पवित्र स्थल है।
All right, okay, fair enough. So the purse politics, the tort politics in Parliament for everyone to see and talk about. Bhavya, how are you inclined to this kind of a messaging that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has resorted to? Is it really necessary, to in fact display your political opinion or your empathy towards a particular cause by carrying a particular purse?
I think it's a very smart move. As her first time in Parliament, what she has done is, one, she brought the attention of the nation towards two very important humanitarian issues in the world. Two, she brought down the BJP on their knees. When they speak about Hindus, that's vote bank politics. Now, aren't the Bangladeshi Hindus who are suffering Hindus? Isn't it the responsibility of BJP government to do something about it? She exposed the hypocrisy of BJP. And here, the BJP spokesperson, we understand you do not understand what dignity is, but at least do not use name calling, do not call names on a national channel. And please, half of the thing he said, I did not understand. I think this is an English channel, or please speak in English so that I can understand what you are saying, other than your name calling names.
English
I did not
is a
really
colonial
understand.
language
No,
which
let me
was
finish.
instilled
Let me
in our
finish,
minds
Himanshu.
to know
Let
that
me
English
finish.
is a better
Let
language.
me finish, Himanshu. I gave you your time. I gave you your time.
Bhavya,
I
that's
expect you to give
Bhavya.
me my
Okay, let's
time.
stick to the topic. Let's
It
not get
was a very
personal.
smart move from
You're
her
not here to
side.
respond to
Wearing a mask or
Bhavya.
carrying a bag. It's her celebrity status that she's using to drag the attention of the whole world of Indians and bringing you BJP down to your knees to two of the most important humanitarian issues. What she did was really good. And as a woman, yes, you are no one to tell her what she can carry, what she can wear. Of course, Yogi Adityanath will comment, because you know what his mentality is. He thinks women are not capable of to be left free. A woman always needs a male protection, and her energy should be regulated. And all of this is the mentality of Yogi Adityanath. And of course he'll comment on an independent woman. Of course he'll comment on what a strong woman will do. That too, when a women parliamentarian, where he's actually against reservation for women in parliament. He was against his own party's will. He was against women quota. That's his mentality. And who cares about what he comments? Priyanka Gandhi has done a wonderful thing. It's very smart on her side, and she has made a very good statement.
Okay,
Yeah.
Sumit Peer, would you like to respond to that? This is a smart statement. This is perhaps a shortcut, to unveiling and showcasing to the world where you are standing on a number of issues.
Vineet, thank you for having me on your show. Well, on the first thing, when I saw Priyanka ji, though I have greatest of respect for her as a woman, as an MP, but I remembered those red carpet of canes, wherein it's not important what you are and who you are, your type and kind of dress gets you into the limelight. So there's a competition of the kind of dresses they wear. So now in Parliament, rather than raising issues and rather than doing real politics, if we want to do this carry bag politics, this is a new kind of dimension which Congress is teaching us, and well, the nation is looking at it. We know the kind of empathy and sympathy you have to Hindus all around. We know what happened in Kashmir, what happened in Kerala, what happened in other parts. You go to Mallapuram, the most Muslim-dominated constituency, and win an election from there, and then when you come to the Parliament, you become a patron, you become a great saver of Hindus. And talking about this carry bag politics, isn't it untrue that when she came to Parliament with this Palestinian bag, there were two representatives from Palestinian embassy which had visited her. Next day she came with a Palestinian bag. What is the position of Congress on Bangladesh? If India wants to make a Hindu desh, will Congress support? We wanted that kind of a statement. Modi ji, go ahead and liberate.
Is Modi capable of doing it? First of all,
Ma'am, look. If you start shouting, you can't match.
I'm not shouting. I'm just asking a question.
Let him finish his
Bhavya ji,
point.
please maintain the dignity.
Let
of
him
the
finish
show.
his point. Let him finish his point,
I think
Navya.
you are
Nobody
enough to be
interjected
silent on
you.
these things.
Navya, nobody interjected you. Please extend the same courtesy. Let us maintain that decorum, please.
Yeah, Vinny, that's why I know the channel. I've been last 7 years on the channel, so that's why I'm maintaining that decorum. The challenge here is, look, if that is the kind of a statement we expected from them, not to carry the bags. Secondly, when you talk of Yogi Adityanath ji, you see that he doesn't respect women and all. You know, you have seen his mother, you have seen his sisters, you have seen how humble they are. Yogi is a Shakti Upasak. Shakti Upasak is the mother goddess. He worships her day in and out. We worship the feminine. That's the mother goddess. And your Neta, Rahul Gandhi ji said, I'm a Dattatreya Kohol Kashmiri Pandit Brahman and I want to fight Shakti. No, I'm not trying. I'm trying to bring a contradiction. What is the contradiction?
Wow.
Rahul Gandhi. So if you talk about Yogi Adityanath ji not respecting women, that will be oxymoron. Every devout Sanatani respects women. In our Sanatan Dharma, we have more female deities than the more deities. There's not a religion, there's not a panth, there is not a dharma on this planet Earth which respects women more than we Sanatanis respect. So let's not try to make it a man-woman issue. The thing here is that if a brother and sister are trying to get more media bites, Vineet, today both brother and sister are in a competition of getting more media bites. When it is chilling cold, Rahul Gandhi ji comes to parliament wearing a cotton skivvy, and that becomes the talk of the town. Now, Priyanka ji says, if he's getting all the limelight, let me carry a few bags and let me make a point of discussion and let me do some narebazi with Mr. Gogoi and let's get the ANI and others people to cover it and it will again become a topic. The challenge here is, if you're really concerned about the Hindus, which your history has not been, then come and state a position that India should go and liberate Hindus of Bangladesh. If a kinetic action is required, go and do it. Hindu देश should be formed. That will say that is your stand on it. Otherwise, इसे हिंदी में कहावत है ना, बहती गंगा में हाथ धोना. It's like you are just trying to use the things to the best of your opportunity. Now, if it is the super,
But Sumit, do you think it is wrong for her to put out these statements on her bag? And is it right for the reaction that we are seeing right now to a tote bag? Is this what the parliament has come down to?
No, wait, but the problem here is, you know, when you go to a restaurant in Europe and all, and even in India, you have this written soup of the day. आज का soup क्या है? If issues are the soup of the day, if the issues will become bag of the day, then obviously there will be some political reactions which will come because you are trying to make a statement. You come and give a statement, you give suggestions, you put a stand, we will welcome that with open arms. Okay, you are our parliamentarian, you have given a suggestion and stand, we welcome that. But this soup of the day diplomacy and bag of the day diplomacy, this politics is not what will gel with the politics. And then you get the people around you and they will do sloganeering. What is this about? Is this parliament about getting a group of people around you and they can make cause a ruckus?
Okay, let Manasvi respond to this. Manasvi, would you like to come in and analyze this as somebody who's looking at both sides of this equation?
Since yesterday, I think my designation has changed from political analyst to bag analyst. I think BJP has made sure that we talk about the bag of...
Maybe you're a bag connoisseur.
Yeah, we can call it that way. So which bag suits which politics is something which has never been heard of from Muddas. So I would have been happy that if I would have been criticizing Priyanka Gandhi's speech, I would have been happy if I would be giving benefits to Priyanka Gandhi's speech, but that's not happening. We are not analyzing her speech. We are not analyzing anything. We are just analyzing ki bag mein kya hai. Why is that bag suddenly so important in Indian politics? And that's the law of our Indian politics. Instead of talking on issues, we are talking on a bag of a politician, which should not have been the topic. I would not imagine my first batch of politicians of 1952 would be talking on the issue of the first parliament, would be talking on Jawaharlal Nehru ki koti kaisi hai, Vallabhbhai Patel ki koti kaisi hai, ya anyone from the left or Bharatiya Janasangh ki unke kapde kaise hain. That was not the discourse of our country. For a great nation like India, the discourse has to something else. We should have been talking on the issues. We are not talking on issues. Very okay with it. Now the entire prime time of the politicians and of our analysts and spokesperson have been on a bag issue. I am very disheartened by that understanding of 21st century India. We should not be talking on it. But are we talking on issues? Are we competent enough to talk on issues? No. We are competent to talk on bag politics. And that's very sad where our country is going forward. And the main people in opposition and the people in power should be the one who should be changing the discourse of our country. But our discourse is very low. So where do we want to have our discourse in this nation? If we say that we are the mother of the democracy, the largest democracy of the world, when we say that, the idea comes to what is our discourse, what is happening in our parliament. Our parliamentarians are talking on the bag issue. Our people in opposition are defending the bag. Why do you even care about the bag? Yeah, that should not be the course of understanding or discussion. Why is BJP so interested in Priyanka Gandhi's bag? I don't understand that. एक bag है, एक photo है, उसको वहीं पे खत्म कर देना चाहिए था. Why do you want to make this a national issue, a talking point for the entire country, and you want to defend that? Why do you want to be the spokesperson of Priyanka Gandhi's bag? How low a spokesperson can be? That's the pain point, Vineet, and that is something has to be changed. We have to object to such kind of non-political issues. Why the center stage is so much burning? we have to take India forward. I don't want to take Priyanka Gandhi's bag forward.
But Manasvi, the case could also be made that why instigate something like this in the parliament with a bag?
Correct. But why do you want to get instigated by a bag?
Now you're bordering towards meditation and self-control. You know, that is something different. Now you're a different terrain altogether, Manasvi.
I am wearing this gamcha. If someone gets instigated by this gamcha, what can I do about it?
Okay, let Himanshu respond to that. Himanshu, why do you think it is necessary, like Manasvi said, for politicians and leaders to respond to something so trivial in Parliament? Does it really does it necessitate such a response? Does it really warrant the Chief Minister himself talking about this in the Assembly?
Okay, I just have a question with Manasvi ji. When AIMIM, the chief, called Jai Palestine in the parliament, was it good or bad? Just tell me in one word. Was it okay or not?
I am not a AIMM spokesperson.
नहीं.
वो bad ही है. उस ये सवाल से क्या जवाब होता? पहले के back
No, when he said Jai Philistine in the parliament, Manasvi ji said, you never said that I will control myself. Why is he saying Jai Philistine? It is bad to bring another nation's flag. See, first of all, it is wrong. It is wrong to bring any flag. Any flag under the constitution, under the parliament's roof is wrong. You cannot bring another nation's flag, first of all. And another, I think I have to remind my friend Bhavya ji, she's telling about clothes. Your party leader during Maharashtra elections called Yogi ji Takla and made some absurd comments about his orange clothes. Let me remind about your party's mentality, who has been saying about Modi ji's clothes. Modi ji once wore a green sadri, and Rahul Gandhi was talking about this whole day. And one day Yogi ji is wearing orange gown, and you.
Statements have been given. तो प्रधानमंत्री जी
Can I?
The problem with the Congress.
Yeah, okay. Bhavya wants to come in. Bhavya, go ahead. Bhavya, go ahead.
No. Let me
Starting with Kane. Starting with the red carpet on Kane. I would like to start with
Bhavya ji,
Sumit.
I will get you. Now it's my time to speak. What we have a problem is Priyanka Gandhi is acting like a toolkit. And how is she acting like a toolkit? There is an organization we all know, OCCRP, which is 70% funded by the George Soros. And we have known the connections between OCCRP and Rajiv Gandhi Foundations, which they gave 1 million for this election. So once when OCCRP says, he talk about Brazil when said that vaccination is imposed, Indian vaccination will not be taken by the Brazil.
अरे तो जेल में डालो.
Gandhi made a tweet.
अगर सोनिया गांधी ने कुछ गलत किया तो जेल में डालो.
She is on bail, sir. Let me educate you that Sonia Gandhi is on 5.
Just one second, Mr. Shukla, Manasvi, 1 second. Let Navya come in. All right, 1 second, guys. Let Bhavya come in. 1 second, Bhavya. Hold on, guys. Hold on, Mr. Shukla, Manasvi, just hold on to your thoughts, please. Bhavya, come in.
I will not allow you to speak.
Bhavya,
if you speak in between.
Okay, this cannot become a dialogue between two people. Manasvi, I expect you to restrain. Manasvi, I expect you to restrain. All right, we'll have to mute the two of them. Can we please have a mute on these two? Bhavya, go ahead. Bhavya.
Thank you. Starting with Sumit, you spoke about canes. Trust me, it doesn't matter if you wear anything to canes. It matters only when Aishwarya Rai wears something to canes. That's exactly what's happening here. Priyanka Gandhi is a celebrity and she's using her celebrity status to drag attention. 1. 2. Come on, making fashion statement. Who is better than Mr. Narendra Modi? So if you want to comment on Priyanka Gandhi and her attire and what she carries, first think about Mr. Modi as well. Right? Anyways, he doesn't make any statement with it. It's just a fashion statement. Coming back to Yogi Adityanath and him worshipping women. Sorry to say this. Women do not want anyone to worship us. All we need is rapist should be put behind bars, not sit in his assembly. His own MLA is a rapist, and to throw him out of the party, Supreme Court had to intervene. And you say he respects and worships women? And a man who says women should not be given a quota, should not be in power, their energy is destructive, he's a misogynist. As simple as that. Coming back to the bag, I don't understand your obsession with what she's carrying. Himanshu, let me
Sandesh
finish.
Bhai,
I
yes.
did not intervene. You are not doing it.
Yes, you did.
Coming
Yes, you
to
did.
what
Wait,
she's
hold on,
carrying.
hold on.
It is not
Himanshu,
against the
Himanshu, hold on.
Constitution,
Let
is
him
it?
finish. I'll give you an opportunity. Himanshu, just hold on.
Regarding what she's carrying as a bag, it is not against the Constitution. Nowhere it says a parliamentarian should not carry a bag to take a stand. And one more question. I have a question to you, BJP people. You have a problem with her carrying a bag, or you have a problem with her carrying a Palestine bag, or both Bangladeshi and Palestine bag? What is your problem actually? That she made a statement using a bag, or because it was a bag? I still don't understand. If it's a bag, then you are against Bangladeshi Hindus as well, because she stood up for Bangladeshi Hindus as well. Right? So it's your time to respond.
Okay, let Sumit come in now. Sumit wants to say something. Sumit, go ahead.
Vineet, allow me.
A couple of points here. First of all, with due respect to the ma'am, the first thing is that Aishwarya Rai is not a MP and she's an actress, and whatever she wears in Cairns is quite okay. But we don't expect that from a dignified MP like Priyanka Gandhi, who comes from such a tall.
She's not making a fashion statement. She's
Ma'am,
standing
let her
up for
finish.
a call, not
let me
making a
complete.
fashion
Okay.
statement.
Ma'am, let me
Bhavya,
complete.
Bhavya, let him make his point.
Bhavya, you compared both.
You know,
Now
you
you
have
want
to
me to
make some
shout?
sense when
You
you
want
make
to
a
me to
statement.
shout? I can do it much
She's
better
not
than you.
making a
Okay,
fashion
Bhavya,
statement.
Bhavya,
guys
let him
will
speak.
not shut up.
Bhavya, this is
Please shut
unfair.
up, please
Bhavya,
shut up.
Bhavya, this is
Shut up.
unfair.
This is
Bhavya,
unfair.
you have to allow other
Can
people
you
to come
please
in.
mute her face?
Bhavya, please
You
mute
the
her.
Congress
Please
people
mute
will not let us
Bhavya.
speak.
Please mute
Well,
Bhavya.
aapki Jagir
All
ho
right,
gayi,
Sumit,
TV
calm
viewers,
down.
you will not let us
Sumit, calm
speak.
down.
How
Sumit,
dare
just
you
calm
then
down.
let us not speak?
All right,
We are
she's
people
quiet
who
now.
hold the
Sumit,
guts
you
of
don't
being
have
a
to
woman,
yell.
and you are
Sumit, you don't have
misusing
to
those
yell.
gutsies. I told you, don't push me to shout. There's no way you can match me. First of all, you compared Aishwarya Rai with Priyanka Gandhi. I did not. You said whatever she does in Cairns because she's a celebrity. Priyanka is a celebrity. So are Priyanka Gandhi and Aishwarya Rai the same? So Priyanka Gandhi is in the business of acting, is in the profession of acting. Are you saying your learned MP was doing acting? Is also your MP in the business and profession of acting? That is what the MPs are supposed not
Make
to
your
do.
point,
Why-
Sumit. Make your point now.
Can
Sumit,
you
make your
say-
point.
how dare
Bhavya,
you say-
one second, Bhavya, 1
How dare you
second.
say Yogi is a
Bhavya,
misogynist?
Right?
Your leader, your
Calm down,
leader,
relax. You don't
your
have to be
leader
so
insulted Ma
aggressive.
Shakti.
It
Now
doesn't
you're
all right,
saying
matter
Bhavya,
whether
just,
you're
just,
aggressive
just,
or
just,
you're
just hold your
calm.
horses, Bhavya.
What you say?
Bhavya,
is a misogynist.
Bhavya,
Vineet,
please calm
Vineet,
down.
I strongly object to Yogi Ji being called as a misogynist. Monk of a
He is.
devout Hindu
He
shrine.
is a misogynist.
You called him a
No
misogynist.
doubt about it.
Because he spoke about
he
Priyanka Gandhi.
is
Bhavya, we
against
heard that
women.
already.
No doubt.
Bhavya, you have to allow other people. Can we please mute her?
He becomes a
Can we please
misogynist.
mute Bhavya?
That is what you want to say.
Can we please
Matlab,
mute Bhavya?
Yogi Ji, being a monk, a learned Hindu monk, he becomes a misogynist. In mathematics, he becomes a misogynist because he talks about Priyanka Gandhi. And what are you insulting us? We are Shakti worshippers. We worship women as Shakti. I don't say women want to worship, but yes, we devout Hindus worship women as Shakti. That is what I told you. How are you confusing the same? Are you saying that Mother Goddess will be replaced by Priyanka Gandhi?
All right,
No.
make your point,
That
Sumit.
is not
Make
the
your
case
point,
and that is
Sumit.
not
Make
going
your
to
point now,
happen.
Sumit.
That is what you want to make.
Sumit, make your point. You okay? All right. Okay. Go ahead.
Just 5 seconds. The last 5 seconds I want to make is look, it is not about the bag. It is the way you are trying to trivialize the politics. Today you come with a bag. Tomorrow you will come with a jacket. Third day you will come with a topi. Fourth day you will come a dress which has printed Palestine on it. It is not going to end. So you have to call it a day. These kind of tamasha, drama and mimicry and taking system for a ride because you come from an entitled family will not work. It might work with Aishwarya Rai ji in Cairns, but it won't work with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in Parliament. That is the limited point.
All right, Manasri, please come in now. We've run out of time as well. Manasri, come in.
I simply don't understand how a bag can just make sure that the system is down. The system does not go down because of a bag. I don't understand that logic. The system नीचे हो जाएगा क्योंकि एक bag
But
पहना है.
stranger things have happened in Parliament, Manasri. Stranger things have happened in the Parliament.
More stranger things have happened. We have cash coming in the Parliament. We have had various issues. Parliament being stalled has been the issue. Parliament
the
goes
Congress
without
regime,
debates has been the issue.
Let me remind you, during the Congress regime, the cash came into the Parliament.
हाँ तो गलत है ना. कांग्रेस गलत करे तो that is not justified. कांग्रेस की गलती है, बीजेपी की गलती है, दोनों गलत को. I have the capacity to say that BJP is wrong and Congress is wrong. Do you have the capacity to say that BJP is wrong? No. I have that capacity to call a wrong. That does not matter. It comes from which political party. The idea here is that Parliament goes without debates and we are not debating on that particular fact. And both BJP and Congress is guilty for that. And they want to make sure that we talk about the bag issue. Why is bag an issue? Bag is not an issue. Let's talk on major issues which the country is going through. That is what is our major issue. And if we want to talk about Bangladeshi Hindus, that has to be debated top in the parliament. But that is not happening. As a Hindu, that is paining me, but that is not happening. And what is happening is, what is BJP doing on that? And BJP asks Congress, what is Congress doing on that? Action has to be taken. Why my Hindu brothers of Bangladesh are suffering just because one line has been done in 1971 and before that in 1947? Can I let my Bangladeshi Hindus suffer? No. Action has to be taken. Why that ownership action is not being taken? When we take Vasudeva Kutum, when we say Sanatan Dharam is for all, what is that action as Sanatanis we are going to do or take? That's the only pointed, mooted question which I have in my mind.
Okay, Mr. Shukla, come in.
These people are just shouting, except this Bhavya ji, and मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि the main thing is what has been done by BJP in Bangladesh for Hindus. We have listened to the statements of Mohammad Rafiqul and Mohammad Tahid Hussain, who have said that due to Indian pressure, we will solve this problem of Bangladeshi Hindus. This is what Indian government is doing. On 9th of this December, Vikram Misri, the foreign secretary, went to the Bangladesh to correct all the situations. We are doing these things for Bangladeshi Hindus. I am just saying that Priyanka Gandhi, we don't have any problem with her bag. We have a problem with her mentality. The toolkit which these brother and sister are following, I guess Bhavya ji is also following the same toolkit. When I said about OCCRP, they shouted like a mad person. When I talked about OCCRP is funding Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, and whatever they say, the OCCRP prints, Rahul Gandhi tweets just after 2 hours. They say these things in the parliament. So the toolkit which is Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi is following their commandant George Soros's order, we have a problem with these. And first of all, the condition of Bangladeshi Hindus is improving. For the first time, Bangladeshi government has accepted that there has been violence against the Hindus. So they are correcting that. And due to the pressure of the Indian government, the rates of tomatoes, cotton and everything have increased. Their business of cotton and fabrication, production, textile was 11%
Right,
of the
quickly,
GDP of
Bhavya,
Bangladesh.
we've run
It
out
has
of time.
gone down.
All right,
So
I want to
these
take
has been
concluding
done by
thoughts
the
from Bhavya
Indian
and Sumit
government.
Peer. We have completely run out of time. Bhavya, 30 seconds to you, please, and then we'll end with Sumit Peer. Bhavya, Sumit, I'll come to you. Bhavya.
I'm really happy how obsessed and how agitated this BJP is, because just
You are
one
looking
back could
agitated.
one back could actually bring them down to their knees. And when it comes to Bangladeshi Hindus, yes, we want the government to take a very strong stand to protect our Hindus in Bangladesh and not show your hypocrisy. Do not use Hinduism only for vote bank.
Okay, all right.
This
Sumit
is the
Peer,
testing
okay, we
time for you
have no
to
time.
show-
We have no time.
to
This
show
is
who
going
you
to go
are.
this
Whether you
is
really
this is going to
stand
go
for
longer than I
Hindus or you're
anticipated. Sumit Peer,
misusing
come in now.
the name-
Sumit, 30 seconds. Sumit Peer.
I want to make
You are using a particular.
All right, one
Muslim
second,
want to
guys.
make
One second,
quota.
guys. Please. All right.
I want to make.
Quickly.
If Congress was so much for women and all the things, when Modi ji built Izzat Ghar or Saman Ghar for Mahilas of Bharat, why couldn't Congress do it in 55 years of Raj? That is where their true sense and colors come out. Modi ji ne Saman Ghar banaya na, Shauchalaya banaya na, jisko Modi ji ne kaha ye Saman Ghar hai, that is what the women of this country needed. Did you give it to them if you really had that respect for women? Talking about women and carrying out with fancy bags is a different thing, but putting things on ground, putting those crores of toilets in the last village of the Indians, that is where your karma matters. Kathni ji karni hoti hai, Vineet ji, karni matter. That is where.
Okay, Bhavya, quickly. Bhavya, 10 seconds.
79% of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao funds have gone in showing Modi ji's face all over India. You have misused women empowerment and all the schemes meant for women only to advertise yourself.
There was a time in Uttar Pradesh when
One student you had
Okay, we've run out of time. I'm sorry, we've run out of time. We'll have to wrap it up here. We'll have to wrap it up. Thank you, everyone.